A delicious mutton stock is prepared and then strained. The cooled down ginger, garlic, and onion are ground to a paste, and the stock is reserved. To cook the rice, oil is added to the same pot. Onion, cumin, and chili are added, and the reserved whole spices are added back in. Ghee is added, and finally, the cooked and reserved mutton. The ground onion, garlic, and ginger are added and mixed together with the meat. Yogurt is added together with some mint leaves. Finally, soaked and drained basmati rice is added and covered with the prepared stock and salt. This is pressure cooked in the Instant Pot. This one-pot recipe will yield a fragrant and delicious Yakhni Pulao. I'm going to start by making the Yakhni stock. I'm going to turn my Instant Pot to saute mode. Add some oil and allow it to heat up. Add in half a cup of sliced onion, 2 tablespoons each of sliced ginger and garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of sliced green chilies. Now for some whole spices, add in 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1 mace flower or Javitri. Add this into the stock pot. I'm also going to add in 1 pound of bone-in mutton or lamb. Add salt to taste and add in 4 cups of water. Stir this well and close your Instant Pot lid. I'm now going to set this to pressure cooker mode for 30 minutes. Please note that you don't need 30 minutes to cook the mutton, but I'm adding extra time to draw out all of the flavors into the stock. If you are cooking this with chicken instead, pressure cook it for about half the time. After the time has elapsed, you can release the pressure manually and then strain all of the liquid. In most recipes, you save the meat pieces and throw out the rest, but not in mine. I'm going to separate the meat from the whole spices and I'm going to put the ginger, garlic, onion, and chili to one side. I'm going to add this to a jar and grind it to a paste. Put the pot back on saute mode and heat up some oil. Add in half a cup of sliced onions, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sliced green chilies, add a bit more oil if needed, and now I'm going to add in the reserved whole spices. Allow the onions to sweat and then add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now I'm going to add the meat back into the pot. I'm also going to add in 3 teaspoons of the ground ginger, garlic, onion, and chili paste. Next, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of yogurt and I'm going to mix this well. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. Now to cook the rice. I have 2 cups of washed and drained basmati rice and I'm just going to add it into the pot. Typically when I cook basmati rice, I use 2 cups of liquid for every cup of rice. But in the Instant Pot, it tends to generate a lot of moisture. So I'm going to add in 3.5 cups of the reserved stock. Hold on to the rest just in case you need to add a little bit more liquid later. I'm also going to add salt to taste. I'm now going to close my Instant Pot and I'm going to set it to pressure cook mode for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes are up, I like to allow the steam to naturally escape, but towards the end I also like to release the steam just so the rice doesn't get overcooked. Open the lid and fluff the rice with a fork. This mutton yakhni pulao is super fragrant, delicious, and it's really easy to make all in one pot. Enjoy.